Hi again, guys. Because yesterday the Jurassic World Rebirth movie was released, and the Lego set came out too. But they didn't make this one monster. DISTORTUS REX is a new creature that will appear in Jurassic World Rebirth. So that's why we're building our own DISTORTUS REX. I use the Mattel DISTORTUS REX toy as my base. By the way, this build was inspired by Lego Luxury. Check out his channel to see more of his awesome creation. Okay, let's move on. First, the thigh. The thigh is shaped kind of round like this. I added a clicky joint, not sure what it's called, to connect it to the body. And I used a ball joint for the foot. Next, the foot. And of course, those terrifying claws. Here's what it looks like when assembled. And yes, it's fully articulated. The legs can rotate thanks to the ball joints. And I used the clicky joint in the thigh because the legs are heavy. It helps keep them from getting loose. And yes, I made two, no need to ask. Next is the arm, the big one. Yep, for this arm, I used the same articulation as the legs, but I added a ball joint for the claw. And yes, here's the claw. It looks really cool. Once it's all combined, clicky joint for the shoulder, ball joint for the elbow, ball joint for the claw, and yes, the claw is articulated. It can perch on my finger. Silences Rex before the bricks start shaking. Now, the body. Because it's big, we split it into sections. This is the front part. It looks kind of like a slice of fish body. Here I added a ball joint in the front for the head, two for the back section, and clicky joint holes for the big arms. You're wondering what that's for? Yep, those are for the small arms. And this can be used to give the Indominus Rex a nice little pat. I also added color details on top to make it accurate. For the rear body part, I added some color details on top too, and clicky joint holes for the big legs. Yep, we'll use ball joints for the tail. And of course, the tail. The tail has 4 segments, all connected with ball joints. Don't even ask about articulation. Of course it's good. Last is the head. The director of this film said that D-Rex was inspired by the Xenomorph and the Rancor from Star Wars. But honestly, it's giving strong beluga vibes. I used a round part for the big forehead. And yes, detailed colors. For the eyes, I used this red and black piece. As for the mouth, I added sharp teeth. And tongue detail too. And yes, the jaw can move. Time to combine everything. Here it is. Isn't it super cool?
Oh my God! Hold up. Wait a minute. Huh? Oh, hell no!
That's our custom-made DISTORTUS REX. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.